Hi boys and girls, Miss Tsang here. Today we are going to make a very cool little hanging ornament for our Chinese New Year celebration. And this character here is Tun, and what that means is spring. So why are we making something that says spring for Chinese New Year? Well, that's because Chinese New Year is also known as the Spring Festival or the Lunar New Year. Now, this is made out of paper, and the art of paper cutting in China dates back to the 2nd century, since paper was invented in the Eastern Han Dynasty. And paper cutting has become one of the most important types of Chinese folk art. So there it is today. Look how pretty these are. You can hang these up somewhere at home as a decoration. Now what you'll need today is some sticky tape, some string. If you don't have string, that's okay, that's optional. A piece of red paper, a glue stick, a pen or pencil to write with, and of course a pair of scissors. So boys and girls, let's go ahead and get started, and good luck. Hi boys and girls, Miss Tsang here. What you'll need to do first is grab your red piece of paper, and you will need to fold it and cut a square. So I'm just folding the corner there and pressing it down nice and flat, and I'm going to cut this edge here with my scissors. Right. So once you've done that, don't throw this piece away. You will need it later on. So put that aside. And now you need to fold and crease your square piece of paper. So corner to corner and press it down flat. Now you can see you have 4 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it to the side and now fold it edge to edge to create the rectangles like this. Open it back up, fold it the other way. Alright, once you've done that, what you need to do is hold the sides and push it in together to form this shape into a square. And again, push it down flat on the table. There we go. Now what you need to do is, that point is the middle, and you need to just fold it in like that. And we are going to start drawing on this edge. Okay, so all the triangles there, and that edge is stuck together. So this part might be a little bit tricky. You might need an adult to help you. We are going to draw the lines which we will be cutting today. So like that. And you can use a pencil or a pen or a colored pencil, whatever you have at home. So far I've drawn 2 shapes there. Now this time I'm going to draw a curved line all the way down there, and I'm going to go around there like that. Now I'm going to draw a straight line there down to create almost like a box. And 3 rectangles. There it is. There is my shape, and that, boys and girls, is what you need to cut out, except this bit you might need to be a little bit careful and not to cut all of it off. Alright, so here I've got my pair of scissors and I'm going to start cutting. As close to the lines as I can. Make sure you stop there and you cut this bit off. Alright, boys and girls, now this part you have to be careful. You don't cut all of it off. So what I've done there is cut it as close as I can. However, I'm leaving this part joined, otherwise it will fall off. So then I can remove my rubbish. Alright, boys and girls, so there I've cut it out, and if you don't have any string, you can finish off here. What you'll do is open up your beautiful character, and there you have the word Chon, which means spring, for Spring Festival or Chinese New Year. Now if you do have a piece of string, let's put this aside. Let's grab the rectangular piece of paper we had from the beginning, and what you'll need to do is to cut little strips along the whole piece, but leave about maybe 1 centimeter at the top. And we are going to use this to make some tassels for the end of our character. As you can see, I'm just doing this by eye. You don't need to measure it. Alright, now I've got my lovely piece of paper there. I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm just going to cut it into 2 pieces so I can make 2 tassels with it. What you'll need then is to grab your piece of string. I have just a red piece here and a glue stick. So you need to put some glue along the edge of your tassels, right there on the top. You'll need to grab a little piece of sticky tape and put some tape on the edge of your string and stick it right there. Okay. And then all you need to do is roll the piece of paper round and round until the edge and now on the other side we are going to attach this piece. So again, put some glue on the piece of paper, put a little piece of sticky tape on the edge of your string and stick it onto the edge there and start to roll it. Once you've done that, you'll have your tassels there. And what you can do is fold it nicely, roughly half, or you can have one slightly longer. Okay, so fold the edge there. And now you will need to grab your character from before. And what you'll need to do is to snip a little hole at the top. Just a little bit. There, see the hole? Now you can open your character up, and before you put it in, you might want to put some glue on the edges. Not all the parts, just some parts, so that it will stick. Then you'll grab your tassel and you put it through the hole right there, right in the middle. At this point you might want to put it right in the middle, roughly there. Fold your letter back up, so there. Then just gently press the sides together. And then open it back up. There we go. And that's it, boys and girls. Good luck.